Okay, we're going to use this video to give you an up-close look at this Gothic antique Black Forest cuckoo clock. And this clock was made at the end of the 19th century. It has a beautiful oak case, and it's just a very original clock. The pediment is original, most of the time with this style pediment, because they're not held on by clips. They're just simply pinned on the top. The pediments are almost always missing, but on this example the pediment is original. It retains its original bone hands. These are not modern recarves, but these are original bone hands. The dial has its original numerals. It's a beautiful original pendulum, weights, chains. The pipes and the bellows are also original as well. The cuckoo bird is a nice plump wood-carved bird. He doesn't have any square lines to them like a lot of the later clocks do, and the bird retains its original paint as well. This clock has been fully serviced. The movement was dismantled. It was put through an ultrasonic cleaner. It was reassembled, oiled, regulated. The bellows have brand new leather, but the original tops have been retained. So this is a properly conserved and restored clock. One fantastic thing about this clock that can't be seen, the movement, and we're going to take some photos and upload them to our website, but the movement is a heavy skeletonized plate movement. So it's not a traditional simple wire skeletonized plate, but the detail work and the skeletonization of this plate is just fantastic. Just about every bit of material that could possibly be removed was removed in a very intricate design. The plates are cast brass, so they're older, and the movement is held together with pins. So we'll set this off so you can hear it in action. It was a nice slow cuckoo call with great sound. We'll do 12 o'clock, so we'll get 12 cuckoos here. It was a fantastic Gothic oak Black Forest cuckoo clock from the late 19th century. And this is a clock that's available for purchase. We specialize in locating high quality Black Forest clocks for collectors worldwide. We're also always buying for both our personal collection and for our clients. So if you're looking to purchase a high quality Black Forest cuckoo clock, you can contact us through our website, which is blackforestclocks.org. We will also buy your clock in any condition, and we also specialize in restoration. So if you have a high quality Black Forest clock that needs restoration, we can assist you with that.